You won't believe how easy it is to make this delicious and savory cottage pie. After watching this video recipe, please support my small cooking channel with a like, but only if you found it helpful. Let's get cooking. Peel and chop your potatoes, place them in a pot, cover them with water and add a generous amount of salt. Adding salt will help the potatoes boil faster and absorb the salt for even seasoning. Bring the water to boil over medium-high heat. While the potatoes are cooking, heat some avocado oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and cook until softened. If you have a chopper, you can use that to make the chopping quicker. Check on the potatoes. After water boils, let them cook until they're tender and fall apart, about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. Once the onions are soft, add the chopped carrots and cook for a few minutes. Then add the frozen peas and minced garlic. Stir everything well. Add plenty of salt to season and cook for another few minutes to let the flavors melt together. Stir in 1 tablespoon of flour to help bind the vegetable mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 cup of beef broth. Bring to a simmer, allowing to thicken and cook down. Taste for seasoning and adjust with more salt if needed. In the same skillet, cook the ground beef over medium-high heat. Break it apart with a spatula and cook until browned. Season with salt and pepper to taste. When the potatoes are done, drain the water and mash them with some butter and additional salt until smooth. Don't forget to add half and half to make them creamy. In a baking dish, layer the ground beef mixture at the bottom, then spread the sauteed vegetables on top, or mix it all. Finally, spread the mashed potatoes evenly over the top. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Bake the cottage pie for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden and crispy. You can store leftovers in the fridge for another day. More recipes are coming soon.